So we're going to be switching intakes. We're going from Mpfi, which is this, 4 injectors, to Dpfi. Well, we're taking this off. This is dual point, see? And it's only got 2 injectors. So it's pretty fucking simple. You just need to take the whole harness, like your ground, like there's like, I think 4 hoses, the brake booster, the fuel hoses, and 2 coolant lines. And that's really pretty much it. So just take all that shit off. Alright, so all the shit's off. Fucking, we took the harness and intake off and drained all the coolant and shit out so we could do all that. And so here's the harness here. We unplugged everything off of the DX manifold. And now we're gonna start plugging everything up to this. So we gotta lengthen the TPS and the idle air control valve. This one's like 15 inches and this one's like 10 inches. It has to be lengthened. And then these on the TPS, this yellow and green wire, we're gonna switch those around. And there's little clips and right there that you can depin if you push them down. So those are switched around. We're probably gonna start cutting all this shit, but we'll do that in a second. This is the SI distributor for 88 to 91. And it's a TDO2, so you pretty much need that to go Mpfi. And yeah, what's stupid is I'm gonna have to take it off when I go OBD1. So I set that there. So I went ahead and I stripped back this portion of the loom here. This is the TPS and your air intake temperature sensor. Here's your 2 plugs that go on the back of the block, and here's your alternator stuff. And then right here, that's your idle air control valve. These are your injectors right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut these 2 out because I'm not using those. We're gonna make our own harness for the fuel system. And then on my car, I actually had pulled my harness from up here and it's pushed down into here. So I believe I should not even have to extend any of the wires. We have this other plug right here. Looks like your idle air control valve plug on this underside of the intake harness. And that goes right here into this, I think is like an idle up solenoid or some shit. I'm not exactly sure. It's like a vacuum solenoid. So that, you're not gonna need that. You can probably delete it. I'm probably just gonna leave it under there taped up.